You're lying in bed at midnight scrolling through someone else's success story, their new investment, their early retirement, and you think, I'll start when I have more money. I'll invest once I understand it better. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. The perfect moment doesn't exist. Every day you wait, someone less qualified and less ready than you is out there building wealth, not because they know more, because they moved. Today, I'm giving you the exact habits that turn financial fear into real wealth, starting right now. Most people think investing requires spreadsheets, finance degrees, and perfect market timing. So, they wait, and waiting becomes the habit. Here's what science actually shows. Action creates confidence. Confidence does not create action. This is where the 2-minute rule saves you. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. Transfer $10 into an index fund. 2 minutes. Set up a $25 auto investment. 2 minutes. Open a high-yield savings account. 2 minutes. No expertise needed. No perfect timing required. Because every month you delay a $200 investment at 7% average return is money that will never exist in your future. Don't run a marathon today. Just take the first step. Most people consume information, but never gain knowledge. Big difference. Scrolling 5 finance shorts before bed, that's information. Sitting down for 20 focus minutes to understand one concept, that's knowledge. Just 20 minutes a day equals 120 hours of financial education per year. Enough to go from complete beginner to confidently managing your own portfolio. The key word is focused. No notifications, no distractions. Treat your financial education like deep work, because 1 focused hour beats 5 scattered hours every single time. Start with 1 book or 1 podcast. Write down 1 thing you learn. Here's the 1 habit that quietly changes everything. The Sunday reset. Every Sunday, give yourself just 30 minutes and ask 3 questions. Where did my money go this week? What financial goal did I move closer to? What 1 action will I take this week? That's it. When your brain sees a written plan, it stops panicking. You shift from reacting to money, that shame spiral when you check your balance, to directing it with intention. Real wealth isn't about earning more. It's about having better systems. I want you to picture yourself at 80 looking back at this exact moment. They won't say, I'm glad you waited until you felt ready. They'll say, why didn't you just start? You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to be 1% better than yesterday. So right now, pick 1 action. Set up a $10 automatic investment. Open a high-yield savings account. Read 10 pages of a finance book tonight. Write down your top 3 financial goals. Drop it in the comments, because saying it out loud makes it real, and that's where change begins. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We post every week to help you stop existing and start building. Your life isn't waiting for you to be ready. It's waiting for you to begin.